Hi everyone, it's Gillian here. I'm showing you day 4 of the 12 Days of Didges challenge by Cara and Dearjuliejulie. As you can see, my journal using the pages is coming together now, using the, the digital pages. I've completed 2 of the parts and then started on another part that I'll put somewhere else into the journal, but I just thought I'll show you this spread that I've done. So this piece I cut out of what that was from Dearjuliejulie sheet, I think. I'm not going to even try to remember now. So what I've done is I've backed it onto a lovely gold paper doily. I've then put some strips of the vintage music page down the sides of my page. I've glued just that under the edges of that paper, so that you can see that there'll be, it's like a belly band, but not a full page width, so you can tuck it that way and that way or something right the way through. Like if I use that tag, you'll be able to see it goes right the way through. The little red pieces were just they're just petals from a paper flower, and then I've sewn on some vintage buttons. I might do something else with the ends here, pretty it up a bit more somehow, but at the moment that's how that page looks. Cara's tags, she's put a small one and a larger one with the same print. So what I've done is, using the little pieces, I've backed them both onto the tea-dyed paper, and then using these little pieces as hinges, I've joined them together. So that flaps out. I've taken one of the little elements and glued it to the top with that little piece of lace to make the top of the tab, and I've again put some glossy accents on there. I might do some more here, because other bits are coming up on different days that you think, oh yeah, that'd look really nice on there. At the moment I haven't got anything, as you can see. And then this element is it's on with a paper clip, and it's a floating pocket. In other words, it's decorated both sides. So I've made it with the pocket out of the vintage music paper. I've machined down 3 sides, three sides, so that it's a pocket from the top. Again, I can put that tag into it to where it was, to show you. That won't necessarily stay in there. I'd put it in there to show that it was a pocket. I've then blinged it up a little bit with these red kind of little crystally bits, and I've just put a little flap of more of that silk material, a little bit of like netting with what looks like little snowflakes on, and then rather than sewing, I've just glued a couple of red buttons there. So as I say, that fits with a paper clip. And then the other one that that I've done is the other Father Christmas that I've put onto a white doily, which I've inked around, and I'm not quite sure how I use that. I've got an idea of maybe threading ribbon through, so that I would perhaps attach it from one side of the page onto a ribbon, but I haven't kind of completed that yet. So that's that element. So there you are. That's my day 4 completed. I'll see you again on day 5. Bye.